We love a good sparkle, a bit of shimmer, and a lot of glitz. It's that eye-catching, show-stopping bit of glamour that we love to see in our favorite shimmering, sparkling gowns. But where did it all start? Where did our love affair with shimmering gowns begin? In today's video, we're going to briefly break down the origins of the shimmering gown. Let's get started. Shimmering gowns dominated the 1930s and 40s. Shiny fluid fabrics such as satin and lame was cut on the bias and manufactured into confections that clung to the body. Women stepped out in whites, off-whites, silver gold, and shades of apricot, peach, and salmon, if they were not wearing black. 1933. Lame dress. American designer Jessie Franklin Turner used lame to great effect in this bias-cut evening gown, making the wearer look as if sprayed with liquid metal. And usually, the dress has long sleeves but still exposes glimpses of the upper body. Modernist pattern. This relatively simple cut of American designer Elizabeth Hawes' evening dress ensures that the focus is on the modernist pattern of the fabric. The large falling leaves accentuate the movement of the flaring skirt. Fluid material. The cut and material of this English dress would have necessitated the right kind of underwear. The gown bears no label, but the simple embroidery design suggests that it might have been made by a local dressmaker. 1934. Revealing cut. The cut of this dress by French designer Coco Chanel would have highlighted the wearer's fashionably bronzed back and arms. Gathered and draped in front and hugging the waist, the gown skirt flares out below the hip. 1937. Fashionable apricot. The base color of French designer Janine Levin's evening dress is accentuated with silver sequin embroidery. The simple but elegant cut dress is made of a synthetic material which was used even in couture houses. 1938. Silk fringing. It looks as if widening bands of fringing have been applied to this clingy rayon dress by French designer Madeleine Vignette. Closer inspection reveals that the individual silk threads have been sewn on the dress. Each forms 2 drops of fringe. 1939. Cap-sleeved overdress. The overdress of Madeleine Vignette's design is made of very fine black lace decorated with black bows. The shimmering silver lame underdress with a halter neck and very low back could have been worn on its own. Butterfly embroidery. This fine silk dress by French designer Maine Boucher was embroidered with butterflies and iridescent spangles, which growed larger toward the hem. The dress would have been worn over a flesh-colored slip. Jean Harlow was seen as the icon of this period. When Howard Hughes' movie Hell's Angels was released in 1930, 19-year-old Harlow became an international star. Harlow popularized the white evening gown, and by bleaching her hair weekly, completed the look and had an indirect influence on the sale of peroxide. American designer Adrienne Gilbert created gowns for Harlow's roles in Reckless, 1935, accentuating her body with clinging bias-cut dresses made of light reflecting material. Shimmering gowns have certainly evolved over the years, and we still see those dresses today reflected, no pun intended, on our red carpets. Which is your favorite look, the gold lame or the bow sheer dress? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, make like a lady.